The Portland Parish Library plays an integral role in serving several communities. Their annual summer program caters to children between the age groups of 3 to 15. Last summer, the participants were challenged to integrate the cyberverse in their summer activities.
We are hosting approximately 320 students across the parish. We were privileged to have 44 computers through the Global Libraries Project. Here at the Parish Library, we have 19 new state-of-the-art computers that we are able to serve adults and children alike. So our children were introduced to what we call Kudo software, which is a gaming software that teaches them to build their own games. So they had a privilege to do that. We also were able to name the groups. We have a group called Wi-Fi, a group called Hotspot.
Children were similarly engaged through the Portland Parish Library Network.
The network consists also of 6 branch libraries, and these are located in the more rural towns in Portland: Buff Bay, Long Bay, Hope Bay, Hector's River, Mount Pleasant, and Bybrook branch libraries. We also have in the network our mobile library stops, where we take the library to the more rural areas.
In addition to the artistic activities such as singing, dancing, and poetry writing and recital, the participants became environmentalists, using recycled material to create craft products, and mathematics technicians through the aid of specialists.
The program that I'm implementing is to use problem-solving strategies to assist students in becoming better thinkers in their mathematics activities. This program is implemented in collaboration with CASE Citizenship Program. I've seen a good response in the students.
The Portland Parish Library continues to empower students through the newly state-of-the-art computers.
The computers help me with my SPAs and assignments, which I wouldn't otherwise get to do up at the school.
The library is able to successfully host their summer program through partnership with a number of supporting entities such as the National Youth Service, the Parish Council, and Jamaica Cultural Development Commission.
I would encourage all those persons in the nearby communities, my neighbors, friends, family, to come in, use the library. Please ensure you utilize the Parish Library and all its wonderful resources.
The Portland Parish Library is very outstanding in the way it interacts with the community. So we're here for them. We extend ourselves as best as we can, and we give the community the support.
No, instead of war, peace. But I don't want World War III because we will blow up the earth. If I could change one thing in this world, we would have no weapon. No knives or swords, no guns or bombs, just peace. Just peace. I am a promise. I am a possibility. I am a promise. Promise me that happy, happy. I am a baby from the love that entry alone team. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm learning the air of balls and I'm trying to make the right choice. I am a promise to be anything I want it to be.
They are indeed Jamaica's promise, and the Jamaica Library Service is helping to hone their skills. And on that note, we leave behind the picturesque parish of Portland in the east and take you to central Jamaica to the old Spanish capital, where the St. Catherine Parish Library is located. All this on the next episode of the JLS Spotlight.